Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sale, and today we're showing you our 22 Ford Escape four-wheel drive with 85,000 miles. Come out of Phoenix, Arizona. It's a nice, clean vehicle. You might see a few little rock chips, that's just part of age. Got good tread on the tires. Maybe a couple little dings, but very, very nice and clean. Of course, they're kind of just standard power windows, locks, cruise, tilt is what they have. But no rust. The calipers are nice and clean. The underneath's clean. You can't beat an Arizona vehicle for rust. They are just very, very nice. Bolts come out nice. Like I said, you might see a scratch or two just because of the miles and the age. But for the most part, pretty clean and very, very nice and rust free. So, and the best thing comes with warranty. 12-month, 12,000 comprehensive warranty. Drivetrain, suspension, steering, fuel, AC. Probably the best coverage you'll get from anybody. So if you're looking for a nice SUV under 20,000, this one will definitely fit the bill. 605-692-7010.